the way you perceive yourself, जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को देख रहे होते हैं, it has so much to do with the kind of people that you are surrounded with. Now I can see कि यार ये दोस्ती की ना मुझे थोड़ी सी reality नजर आ रही है. I don't think we were ever friends.
Yeah.
I think it was just कि कुछ आप मेरे ऊपर कुछ ट्रॉमा अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे थे और शायद मैं कुछ अपने वूंड्स को हील करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. So
मैं उल्टा लटक जाऊंगी आपके लिए. मैं वैसी दोस्त थी. मैं थी इसलिए बोलती हूँ बिकॉज अब मैं नहीं.
आप मेरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे, ठीक है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला कि मेरा इस्तेमाल हो रहा था. हाँ, मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम है ये, लेकिन आप मेरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे. आई डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स. हाउ अबाउट यू? एंड मैं क्लास में लगा व्हाट.
मेरी तो बुरी किस्मत भी खराब है भाई.
एक बंदी आई होगी, ओ माय गॉड जैना तुम इतनी मोटी हो गई हो यार, क्या कर रही हो. अभी दिस इज अ थर्ड पर्सन, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. व्हाट डिड उसने क्या किया? उसने ये किया यार नहीं बोलो, उसको डिप्रेशन हो जाएगा. देन आई बिकम द विलन ऑफ द स्टोरी.
Yes.
They were like, you know what, Jaya, grieving a friend
Yes.
is so underrated.
Yes.
Nobody talks about the
No.
heartbreak that comes with, when a
Yeah.
friendship of years,
Huh?
it ends.
Yes. Why do I need a therapist? I have friends. I can tell my friends everything. तो फिर जाए हाँ बताएं, दोस्तों को ही बताएं, बट हमें.
शिफा, अभी मैं आ रही थी पॉडकास्ट के लिए.
हाँ.
और मैं जब रेडी हो रही थी ना, तो मैंने ब्रॉन्जर उठाया. मैं कॉन्टूर करती हूँ नॉर्मली अपना फेस.
Yeah.
एंड लाइक मेरे जहन में सबसे पहली थॉट क्या आई कि शिफा के साथ है. व्हाट, आई डोंट हैव टू. मुझे इतना मास्क करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
and there's certain safety with certain people that you feel.
हम्म.
and मैं ये सोच रही थी कि आज के टॉपिक के हिसाब से कितनी एप्ट सिचुएशन हुई मेरे साथ कि एक तो हम फ्रेंडशिप्स के बारे में बात करें और दूसरा हम बॉडी इमेज के बारे में भी बात करें.
Exactly.
एंड हाउ बोथ ऑफ देम समटाइम्स कैसे ये आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं, ये कितने
Yeah.
कनेक्टेड हैं.
Yeah.
And then I was like, what? I feel so safe कि मेरे दिमाग में मुझे पता है that I don't need to hide. I don't need, मुझे पता है कि मेरा face round आएगा. I was like, so what? Like this person is not going to look at that.
Weirdly, मैंने भी bronzer लगाया.
I took out my bronzer. I was like, wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, and it took me back to so many incidents. I just like बहुत सारे emotions मेरे आना शुरू हो गए कि the way you perceive yourself, जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को देख रहे होते हैं, it has so much to do with the kind of people that you are surrounded with.
Yeah.
कि आपके जो हैं वो दोस्त, आपके एनवायरनमेंट में लोग, वो किस तरह से आपको महसूस करवाते हैं. well sure, बहुत सारी चीजें आपके अपने अंदर की भी हैं कि आपका अपना क्या इमेज है अपने बारे में. But I think before going to body image,
Yeah.
tell me about your friends other than me.
I have very few friends actually.
Yeah.
I choose to keep very few friends because growing up, I don't know, people just didn't like me. I was the odd one out, always. So later on, I discovered it was partly because I was neurodivergent. तो मुझे सिर्फ एक इंसान पसंद आता था और half the time वो like vice versa नहीं, they would not feel, they would want to be popular and I would be okay in my skin. So now I do have friends. I can actually say I have friends. And there are few, but they are good friends. I have made friends in the therapist community, which is really nice to have because they respect that boundary. They respect that whole, like, they respect me.
Yeah.
Which is the biggest thing I need.
Yeah. Do you think कि इससे change होता है? Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि once you start, it's like I can talk about myself कि once I started my journey with CBPD and started becoming a therapist, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि there is so much एक डिस्टेंस क्रिएट हो रहा है मेरे पुराने दोस्तों के साथ कि नाउ आई कैन सी कि यार ये दोस्ती की ना मुझे थोड़ी सी रियलिटी नजर आ रही है. आई डोंट थिंक वी वर एवर फ्रेंड्स.
Yeah.
आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट कि कुछ आप मेरे ऊपर कुछ ट्रॉमा अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे थे और शायद मैं कुछ अपने वूंड्स को हील करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. सो आई डोंट थिंक वी वर एवर फ्रेंड्स. डू यू थिंक इट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद the whole healing journey and becoming a therapist?
Most definitely does. It's like a third eye opens up in your brain and you have all of this awareness and all of a sudden you are just like seeing people in a different light. And sometimes now, because it's my second year being a therapist and there's still a very long way to go obviously, magar it's I can literally see myself stopping myself from doing that. Early on मैं वो सारा कुछ देखती थी and I could over analyze people. Now I don't do that anymore because it's not good for me either. So I just see as much as I want to, not more than that.
अगर अगर मैं ये पूछूं कि कि किसी ऐसे रिलेशनशिप को, स्पेशली अगर कोई फ्रेंडशिप कोई
हाँ
फॉल आउट हुई है
हाँ
और वो आपने कहा कि नो व्हाट, ये रिलेशनशिप अब खत्म हो रहा है,
हाँ
एक तो वो कि व्हाट वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस, व्हाट हैपेंड, इफ यू कैन शेयर विद अस ऑल्सो, आपको अपने बारे में क्या सीखने को मिला उस रिलेशनशिप को एंड करके?
मुझे ये सीखने को मिला कि आई वॉज अ वेरी एंक्शियसली अटैच्ड पर्सन थ्रू आउट माई एंटायर लाइफ। मैं तो छोड़ती नहीं थी। I would make sure they would stay no matter what. And I mean no matter what. मैं उल्टा लटक जाऊंगी आपके लिए। मैं वैसी दोस्त थी। मैं थी भी इसलिए बोलती हूँ because अब मैं नहीं। I refuse to be that type of a person because it only harmed me. It only harmed me in a lot of ways. In, like, for example, my self-confidence, the way I saw myself, I used to see it through their eyes, and that wasn't healthy for me. So if you look at के अगर मैं आपको example दूँ, तो there was a friend I had in university, and we were together throughout university and even after that. मगर because मैं neurodivergent थी और अभी भी हूँ, तो वो I didn't pass at the same rate जैसे वो पास कर रही थी। वो MBA में भी पहुंच चुकी हुई थी, मैं बैचलर्स कर रही थी उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज मैं स्ट्रगल कर रही थी। वो स्ट्रगल समझती नहीं थी। शी यूज टू कॉन्स्टेंटली टेल मी कि आई वॉज नॉट गुड इनफ, एंड at a lot of at this one experience we decided, Lord knows how we decided, that we would go on a holiday together. And she wanted that the holiday be planned around her schedule because उसने आगे भी जाना था, वो कहीं और से आ रही थी, उसने आगे भी जाना था. तो अगर if I had planned my whole holiday around her, I wouldn't have had anything done and I would not be relaxing on my holiday.
Wow.
So that entire holiday, I developed the worst stress cuff on the planet. And I'm laughing about it now, but it was so painful for me. It was the worst thing कि आपकी 8-9 साल की दोस्ती went off poof. And she tried to force me to be her friend again. She tried to ask people जो mutual थे for us to be friends again. मगर अगर आप मुझे guilt trip कर रहे हो और अगर आप मुझे बैठ के religiously guilt trip कर रहे हो and you're just guilt tripping me वैसे, I didn't want to be her friend anymore. मेरा दिल ही उठ गया उस friendship से, तो मैंने छोड़ दी वो friendship.
Yeah.
बहुत टाइम लगा, बहुत दुख हुआ, मगर छोड़ दी.
And guilt tripping मुझे, what is religious guilt tripping in this
Religious
situation?
guilt tripping वो ये बोलती थी कि because she never saw me pray, she thought I never prayed. Because she didn't see me do everything religiously the way she would show off and do everything. तो फिर then I was not doing it either. But isn't God's relationship with me different? And
Yeah.
it's entirely up to me and God.
Yeah, exactly.
So
And I'm also wondering कि it 8-9 साल की दोस्ती, and then it and like मेरे ध्यान में क्या आ रहा था कि एक दिन में तो नहीं होता है ये,
हाँ.
but then there was something going on, and I think the reason that I picked that up is because this is something that I also ask myself. क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी ये हुआ है अभी recently कि like इतने सालों की दोस्ती, and then all of a sudden एक दिन होता है जिसमें I realize, oh my God, and वो फिर मैंने ये सोचा मैं कि एक दिन में नहीं हुआ, and this is
Yeah.
something that I was also sharing with someone, and this
हाँ.
ये एक दिन में नहीं होता. बट व्हाट गोज ऑन शिफा, ये इतने सालों में क्या हो रहा होता है, ये हम लोग क्या कर रहे होते हैं?
वो छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें हम इग्नोर कर रहे होते हैं. We're letting them walk all over us because we just
Yeah.
want that friendship.
Yeah.
We are very, I think you're also very anxiously attached to your friends at least, and like I can sense it, like you would go above and beyond for them, but not the same.
Yeah. Do you think is it a me problem, कि ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं उनके साथ एंग्शियसली अटैच्ड हुई हुई हूँ,
हाँ.
एंड बिकॉज दैट्स माई जो वो मेरे साथ कर रहे हैं, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि ये मैं इनकी ज़िंदगी में रहने का, ये दोस्त मेरे ज़िंदगी में रहने का सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है कि इफ़ आई लेट देम डू दिस टू मी, अदरवाइज तो मेरे पास तो फिर दोस्ती ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. सो इज़ इट लाइक अ मी प्रॉब्लम, और क्या ये क्योंकि मेरे अंदर बहुत रिजेंटमेंट भी है और मेरे अंदर बहुत वो भी है कि एक्यूजेशन वाला भी, लाइक ठीक है यार, मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम तो हो गया, मैंने
रिजेंटमेंट
आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया.
फॉर्म हुई है.
अब फॉर्म हुई है,
हाँ
अब हुई है
हाँ
कि यार मतलब आप मेरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे, ठीक है मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला कि
हाँ
मेरा इस्तेमाल हो रहा था, हाँ मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम है ये, लेकिन आप मेरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे, एंड नाउ आई डोंट लाइक, व्हाट डू यू थिंक,
And
इज
I
इट
was
दिस,
choosing to ignore it.
yeah, why, like is it a me problem or is it कि the other person was also, you know, um, should be blamed for what they were
I
doing?
feel it's a both-way problem because when there is an anxiously attached person, there's always an avoidantly attached person right next to them.
Yes.
It's like we're polar opposites. We attract each other.
Exactly, yeah, then
So
it
what
makes
I
sense,
can
yeah.
tell about that ex-best friend of
Mm.
mine, she was very
Mm.
avoidant. And the only thing she saw was herself. So she had also become sort of like a narcissist in that manner. So she was on the brink of it. I don't know anymore if she has become that way. मगर कौन जानता है?
Yeah,
वही जानती है.
yeah.
मैं नहीं जानती.
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता.
Yeah, and for our audience, अगर हम यहाँ पर उसको थोड़ा सा attachment style को touch कर दें, like
हाँ.
somebody who does not know what anxious, can you
Yeah.
just explain like on the surface कि क्या
Yeah,
क्या
like
types हैं उसके क्या
layman's
क्या?
term,
हाँ.
laywoman's terms
Yeah,
in
yeah.
our
Please,
terms.
yes,
Laywoman's
laywoman
terms.
terms.
All right, so an anxiously attached person will be a person who is, who would just die for you, basically. They will do anything for you. तुम बोलोगे नाचो उठ के, वो नाचेंगे for your entertainment. And they have actually been brought up by parents who have not fulfilled their basic needs of caring, of relationships, of just giving them attention. So they feel that they need to attach themselves to a person like a magnet because they have to, just get that attention from that person. An avoidant person would be the complete opposite. They will be like, हाँ चलो निकलो उधर से. I'm just काम हो गया है ना, निकलो इधर से. They're very like only me, myself, and I. And they just love themselves and they will only look at their benefit most of the time beyond anybody else. A secure person will be somewhere in the middle. They will have little parts of both, I feel. And they know how to get around to being friends with a person, how to maintain their relationships, कितना उन्होंने कितना कहाँ देना है. And basically how I would tell my clients कि you क्या बोलते हैं, when you're a securely attached person, आप जितना आपको आगे से मिलता है, आप उतना ही देते हो उसको वापस. You give it in balance. And securely attached people are very, very few. It takes a lot of practice and it takes a lot of self-awareness. Teach a lot of people are not willing to invest. And then the fourth type comes the disorganized type, which are just bouncing. It's like a bouncy ball in a room. They're just bouncing all over the place. Only बिचारों के साथ बचपन में they have had a lot of trauma and they are just trying to manage themselves and get along with anybody they possibly can. But it's very difficult for them and because they feel a lot at a lot of time. I feel that highly sensitive peoples are very disorganized in a lot of ways because they feel too much sometimes or they feel too little sometimes. So they're just bouncing all over the place.
Yeah.
So those are your attachment styles. और भी बहुत हैं मगर we're not gonna get it.
Yeah, and you know like किस तरह से ये प्ले कर रहा है
हाँ.
आपकी फ्रेंडशिप्स के अंदर. एक और चीज जो मेरे लिए प्ले हो रही थी ना, दैट्स माय लाइफस्टाइल. अभी
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने हमारा प्ले थेरेपी का जो क्लास थी,
Yes,
ठीक है,
with Anam.
with Sahar. Ooh, Sahar Habib, right? Acha, and you know Sahar keeps on saying कि this is powerful work. You know, like on the surface, और apparently ऐसा लगता है कि you know ये सब बड़ा fun सा है, and I think but you know it's very powerful. And what came up for me was कि हम लोग वो कर रहे थे pass the ball वाला. You know, what about you? How about you? उसमें basically होता ये है for my audience के आप एक circle में खड़े होते हैं और उसके बाद you say something, you tell something about yourself और फिर you throw a ball at somebody and you say, you know, मैंने अपने बारे में I am happy and you know, how about you? You know, so और वो बहुत speed में चल रहा होता है, so you don't have a lot of time to think. So whatever comes up, right?
Exactly.
What came up for me was एक तो it was good as well. जब से पहले आया कि I love my job. How about you? ठीक है? And then you know the ball thrown at me and I was like, I don't have friends. How about you? And you know my classmates like, what? Then who am I? You know?
Yeah.
And you know, I was just thinking, why did I say? And my friends are sort of, you know, like, what? And I was sort of like explaining myself. No, not you. And I'm like, who am I talking about? No, I'm not talking about you. And then मेरे ज़हन में वो लोग आना शुरू हो गए जो कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में हैं, राइट? और जो कि मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, बहुत करीबी हैं, आई कैन दे आर देयर, राइट? मैंने कहा यार ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है? एंड देन हमने वो पूरी एक्सरसाइज की एंड देन व्हाट केम अप फॉर मी वाज ग्रोइंग अप, चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स, 3 दोस्त हैं, ठीक है? और वो मेरी स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा है क्योंकि अब और इतना सारा कुछ चल रहा है ज़िंदगी में। आई एम द यंगेस्ट, 4 बड़े बहन भाई हैं जिनका मुझसे 10-10 साल का एज डिफरेंस है, जनरेशन गैप। आई एम द ओनली वन इन द हाउस जो कि स्कूल जा रहा है। सारे कजिन्स में भी मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ, यू नो, सो देयर इज सो मच गोइंग ऑन। एग्जैक्टली, यू नो, द वन that nobody was
baby on board.
nobody was expecting that, you know,
Yes.
this person is going ये भी आ गई यार, ये कैसे? सही। अब there is that loneliness sort of isolation going on,
Yes.
and then अब मेरे ये 3 दोस्त हैं।
हाँ.
अब हमने स्कूल हो गया, यूनिवर्सिटी हो गई, कॉलेज हो गई, ठीक है? एंड एवरीबडी, यू नो, आफ्टर स्कूल दे ग्रो अपार्ट, लाइफ हो गई है, जो भी है सारा कुछ। अब मेरी स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा क्या बन गया है? सो इफ आई डोंट हैव दीस फ्रेंड्स, इट मीन्स आई डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स। सो अब मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, यू नो, अब आई थिंक माय टास्क स्टाइल इज डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड। So sometimes I'll be like, you know what, नहीं ये तो मेरी बाउंड्री है भाई, नहीं ये तो यहाँ क्रॉस कर सकते हैं। Sometimes I'll be like, you know what, I'll do everything for you. रात के 4 बजने हैं, हाँ मुझे फोन करो, कोई मसला नहीं है। अच्छा आपका ये मसला सॉल्व करने में, आपका ये मसला भी सॉल्व कर लेती हूँ। And then there are times, you know, when I'm pissed at them कि यार ये तो मुझसे तो कभी, you know, there was a time that I actually was कि आपने पिछले 6 महीने में मुझसे नहीं पूछा how are you? You know, that this has been the dynamics of the friendship, and I'm still friends with them. I'm still friends with them. And then what I recently, you know, in that exercise, what I realized कि ये मेरी लाइफ स्क्रिप्ट है और ये कर क्या रहा है मेरे साथ, कि कर ये रहा है कि आई एम नॉट allowing myself to receive love and support from people जो कि currently मेरी जिंदगी में हैं, जो कि मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं, जो कि मुझे प्यार करते हैं, और वो मेरी लिस्ट का हिस्सा नहीं बन रहे कि ये रहे मेरे दोस्त जो कि मतलब मुझसे प्यार करते हैं, तो मैं इनको अपनी लिस्ट का हिस्सा क्यों नहीं बना रही हूँ? मैं वहीं पे स्टक हूँ। And you know, that's such, it was such a painful realization, but at the same time it was so important. I was like 30 साल की हो गई मैं, right? आज पता लग रहा है मुझे, मतलब क्या बात है
और
यार।
उनको लिस्ट पे डालने में भी तुम्हें डर लग रहा होगा कि कहाँ, you don't know the future
Yeah.
and you're sitting and doubting yourself कि यार अगर वो लिस्ट पे रहेंगे भी कि नहीं रहेंगे. Am I like overspending myself or over exaggerating when it comes to calling them your friends? I made friends at the beginning of like the programs, CPPD wale,
Yeah.
and we're like we're in touch, but we're not those good friends anymore. But अब different friends हैं. So it just depends. It's like a ping pong game.
Yeah, you're
I'll
right.
swear it.
Yeah. Do you think कि इसमें जो है वो आपकी किस्मत का कितना हाथ है? What do
पता
you
नहीं
think?
किस्मत का पता नहीं क्या हाथ है. मगर किस्मत मेरी तो किस्मत, मेरी तो पूरी किस्मत भी खराब है भाई.
तो है इसका मतलब
पूरी किस्मत भी खराब है.
Yeah, wow.
Seriously. It's been a very terrible road in terms of having friends. It just like it's just been completely awful for me having friends, and I've been in bad company. I've thought that the bad company was actually thinking good about me. When I left the bad company, I was told, I was gossiped about, and then there's been a lot of stuff that has come from people I thought were my friends, and now I can honestly say I don't care anymore. कि कौन रहता है कौन नहीं रहता है, जो रहता है वो अपनी बाउंड्री में रहे, मैं अपनी बाउंड्री में रहूंगी, बस वही ठीक है.
Yeah. And also conflict resolution वाला प्रॉब्लम भी है ना कि like बहुत सारी दफाओं में, अच्छा मेरे साथ भी again I think I have disorganized attachment style because you know मेरे एक दिन आएगा जिसमें I'll call out this person और फिर 2 साल के लिए बर्दाश्त करें, फिर एक दिन आएगा जिसमें you know मैं एक दिन बिल्कुल बदतमीज हो जाती हूँ और फिर मैं बिल्कुल डोरमैट बन जाती हूँ, you know. So
अपने साथ पिंग पोंग क्यों खेल रही हो?
अपने आप को पिंग पोंग की ना अच्छा. So what I don't know if this is, you know, like हमारा like कोई national problem है ये कि हम लोग, I think the kind of people we are कि we are not कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन का वो बहुत ज़्यादा कोई अच्छा नहीं है। सो मैंने एक चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा जो ऑब्जर्व की और एक्सपीरियंस की वो ये था कि अगर मुझे एक फ्रेंड से लग रहा है कि यार कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, राइट? सो द मिनट आई विल बी लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, XYZ ये हो रहा है, ठीक है, इस तरह से हुआ था, मुझे ऐसा फ़ील हुआ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा कि तुमने उसके सामने मुझे ऐसे बेसिकली बोला ये कि एक बंदी आई हो कि ओह माय गॉड ज़ैनब तुम इतनी मोटी हो गई हो यार, क्या कर रही हो, राइट? अभी दिस इज़ अ थर्ड पर्सन एंड माय फ्रेंड, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड व्हाट डिड, उसने क्या किया? उसने ये किया, यार नहीं बोलो उसको डिप्रेशन हो जाएगा। एंड नाउ व्हाट शी डिड वाज़
So just add
वर्स
to it.
एंड इट वाज़ वर्स बिकॉज़ शी इज़ माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड
Yeah.
and she knows कि what I'm going through and you know like it's almost like using that information and I'm like what ये क्या किया है भाई तुमने, तुम ना ही करती तो बेहतर था, right? And then you know once that's over and I'm talking to this friend कि you know what did you do, why did you do it? तुम मतलब तुम्हें पता है कि what I'm going through, you know, I am going to psychiatrist, I might have, you know, like something, but why are you like bringing that up like that कि मतलब एंड देन वाज़ लाइक मैं यकीन भी नहीं कर सकती कि तुम मेरे ऊपर ये इल्ज़ाम लगा रही हो। आई एम लाइक नो, मतलब मैं तुमसे, मेरे दिमाग में ये है सिंस वी आर गुड फ्रेंड्स सो आई विल टेल यू ना कि यार मुझे ऐसा महसूस हुआ। बट हमारे यहाँ उसको इतना, एटलीस्ट इन माय एक्सपीरियंस एवरीवेयर व्हेनेवर यू नो ट्राई टू कम्युनिकेट विद द पर्सन कि यार मुझे ये बात बहुत बुरी लग रही है, दे विल बी लाइक आपने देखो मैं तुम्हें अब्यूज़ भी करूँगा, मैं तुम्हें तंग भी करूँगा, सब कुछ करूँगा मैं। आप मुझे नहीं बताएँगी कि मैं ये ना करूँ बिकॉज़ आई विल डू दैट।
Yes.
एंड यू नो लाइक आई थिंक ये डू यू थिंक
मज़ाक
या
में मैं कुछ भी आपको बोल दूँ, आपको बुरा
हुँ,
भी लगे, but you're supposed to take it
या,
because I am your friend.
या,
But why?
या।
Honestly, but why? Why
क्योंकि
should we take
क्योंकि
it?
क्योंकि क्योंकि फ्रेंडशिप के अंदर जो है वो कोई बाउंड्रीज़ नहीं होती
नहीं
और
होती।
कोई जो है वो यू नो ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम ख़्याल रखेंगे।
हाँ,
फ्रेंड्स तो इंसल्ट करते हैं एक-दूसरे
exactly.
की और फ्रेंड्स जो हैं वो तो कुछ भी कह देते हैं
मगर
और
friends
या
also, like the way we see in movies, like the way
हुँ।
we see online what friends do for friends, like friends would give friends a kidney,
Yeah.
but then friends would also ditch that person who gave them a kidney.
Yeah.
If you know who I'm talking about, you know who I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know,
Hmm.
it's I really just don't know what people have against resolving their conflicts. Even as a therapist, I see it a lot. People are not able to talk to each other anymore. It's like वो बस एक वॉल खड़ी कर देते हैं कि नहीं
Hmm.
आप तो हमसे बात ही नहीं करोगे, आपकी तो इतनी औकात ही नहीं है कि आप मुझसे बात भी कर सको।
Yeah.
भाई क्यों?
Hmm.
बात करोगे तो चीजें रिजॉल्व होंगी।
Exactly.
इतनी इतनी डीप सीटेड चीजें, इतनी इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजें which have just dug their roots deep inside you and just stayed there for generations. You're not talking about them anymore.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then you call us the demon because we as therapists are trying to make you speak about it,
Yeah.
make you resolve that conflict.
Yeah.
तो फिर यार बस
है ना?
it's just a mess.
Yeah.
We need to start talking more about things.
Hmm.
We need to start talking to people about how they have pissed us off
Hmm.
and how they have done us bad.
Hmm.
And especially जब उन्होंने हमें fat shame किया हो, तो how badly that makes us stay.
एग्जैक्टली एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब से मैंने अपनी बाउंड्रीज थोड़ी सी पुल करना शुरू की हैं एंड जब से मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि यार ये तो मेरी बाउंड्रीज कहाँ जा रही हैं, है ही नहीं। सो जब से मैंने वो पुल करना शुरू की है, आई थिंक व्हाट आई मैंने अपना जो वो बनाया है ना ओपिनियन, वो ये है कि आई एम द बैड गाय, यू नो। सो मैं वो बन अपने अपने दिमाग में मैं वो बन रही हूँ कि यू नो लोग आई एम द प्रॉब्लम। ये देखो ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, इनकी भी दोस्तियाँ चल रही हैं, ये लोग भी इस तो मुझे क्या हो रहा है? मैं अकेले खड़े होके अब वो बाउंड्री मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इट्स लाइक कि मैं खड़ी हुई हूँ अकेले और मैं अपने इर्द-गिर्द एक दीवार बना रही हूँ, व्हिच आल्सो मीन्स अब मैं अकेले रह रही हूँ, मैं ये बाउंड्रीज़ खड़ी करके कहाँ जाऊँ? डू यू व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से टू दैट?
I have a lot to say about that. I can give you the best example. When I
हुँ,
was working a few years ago,
हुँ,
I was working for a school. Obviously, not gonna tell you the name. Name goes unknown, but those ones who know, they know.
हुँ,
So yeah, I was working for them, and I was working with a bunch of older ladies who come from very different, like, different sets of the society.
हुँ,
And at one point, I found out that they had started to gang up against me because I had boundaries.
हुँ,
I didn't want to sit with them and gossip about just about everyone. I wanted to do my work. I'm very tech savvy. I wanted to do things to make the school and to make my team more tech savvy. So I was working towards that. And they would all be just sitting and talking bad about me. So, that boundary came in there कि मैं उनको बस बुरी लगनी शुरू हो गई कि मैं तो बोलती थी जो मेरी एक दो दोस्त से बनी थी in that workplace, and thank God for that, they're still my friends. I even went out with one yesterday, very lovely time. तो एक तो move away हो गई हुई है, मगर those two women have literally saved me. They have kept me sane those 5 years that I was working for that workplace, because I had to, because I was paying for my own therapy education. So, it was just, those women tried so many times to gang up against me and get me taken out of the school. And after the second time, I just left. I was like, first water. मगर वही बाउंड्री थी ना मेरी, इसलिए मैं प्रोटेक्टेड रही. और मैं मजाक मजाक में बोला करती थी अपनी दोस्तों को कि हाँ मैं तो हुई खराब, छोड़ दो, मैं तो हुई खराब. आई एक्सेप्टेड कि मैं हुई खराब, कोई मसला नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम प्रोटेक्टिंग माई सेल्फ. So why not have a boundary in that way?
Yeah, you're right. But did you feel like कि जब वो सारे गैंग अप कर रहे थे, ठीक है,
हाँ.
और मैं जो सुन के एंजाइटी इस बात की हो रही थी कि जब मेरे साथ कोई गैंग अप करता है, जो कि फॉर सम रीजन बहुत दफा हो जाता है, ठीक है, होता ही रहता है हर वक्त, ठीक है, सो मैं भी उन्हीं के साथ ही मिल जाती हूँ कि हाँ हाँ सही कह रहे हो तुम लोग, ऐसे ही हूँ मैं. You're right. हाँ हाँ मेरा ही प्रॉब्लम है, मैं कैसे बताऊँ? I agree with you. And this is something that I had to learn. I had to learn to go easy on myself. कि मतलब मैं तो यही बोलती रहती हूँ कि यार 10 लोग कैसे गलत हो सकते हैं. अगर 10 लोग मेरे खिलाफ गैंगअप हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो 10 लोग तो नहीं गलत होएंगे, मैं ही हूँ, मेरा ही कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा, मैंने ही कुछ किया. दिस इज सच लाइक मुझे जब मैं इस थेरेपी पे भी बात कर रही थी अपने थेरेपिस्ट के साथ, एंड वाज इट रियली आई वाज सो लाइक हर्ट कि ये मैसेजिंग अपने बारे में रखे हुए है कि सो अगर 10 लोग मेरे बारे में गैंग अप हो रहे हैं सामने, यार यही ठीक है, मुझे अपने बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो कि मैं अच्छी हूँ कि मैं बुरी हूँ, आई डोंट नो, मे बी यू आर राइट. एंड व्हेन you have friends like you said कि जब मैं उसमें नहीं हूँ तो वो मेरे पीछे मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, एंड देन यू आल्सो गेट द हिंट कि यार ये मेरे बारे में बात करते हैं.
Yeah.
एंड why would you put yourself again in that company?
Yeah.
And
That's what I used to think all the
Yeah.
time. Why should I put myself in that company? There was a point where I was like, हाँ ठीक है, maybe I'm getting along with them would benefit me in the long run, but then मेरा दिल नहीं मानता था, to be very honest, मेरा दिल नहीं मान रहा था. And then it would feel very heavy on me. I would feel completely drained after coming back from work, and then I would understand slowly that it was because they were becoming energy vampires in my life, and they were completely sucking the energy out of me.
Yes.
So, it was not only were they gossiping about me, they were also sucking the energy out of me. So I was like, no, I'm not going to give them that. तो that's when I put down the boundary कि नहीं, मैंने नहीं करने देना. और ये भी हुआ है कि मेरी जो दोस्तें थी और जो हैं, मैं थी पता नहीं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, मगर हैं, they're literally going to kill me when they hear this in the podcast. Those women actually started going against them as well. So they also became the butt of their gossip because they were associated with me. So now they are fighting their own battles with with their own boundaries, which they have had to set with those women. So some people never change.
Yeah.
And you can literally see, I've left that workplace. One of my friends is still working there, my school friends. And she was telling me that now you can literally see the cracks form in those women's relationships and friendships. जो उनकी वो थी ना, gossip, friendships, वो अब cracks नजर आने शुरू हो गए. You can see the way my face
It's lighting up.
It's like,
Wow.
it's like karma.
Nice.
So yes, it's क्या करें यार, हम क्यों बुरे बने जब हम हैं नहीं.
And also अब मैं वही अपने अंदर के रेस्क्यूअर को तो बड़े टाइम लगा है ना बताने में.
रेस्क्यू करो, पार्ट मारने का तो कान के नीचे
भाई मैंने ये सोचा कि so there was this one person especially very old friend और मैं आई वाज द रेस्क्यूअर ठीक है अब जो तो हो गया तो उस टाइम पे तो वो दोस्ती चल रही थी सारा कुछ है ठीक है एंड देन यू नो लाइक पिछले 5-6 सालों में आई वाज लाइक यू नो सो इफ आई डोंट रेस्क्यू दिस पर्सन देन देयर इज नो फ्रेंडशिप सो अब मैं रेस्क्यू किए जा रही हूँ मैं थक भी रही हूँ लाइक यू सेड एनर्जी वैम्पायर्स एनर्जी ड्रेन भी हो रही है बट देन मैं अपने आप को कुछ मोरालिटी वाली बातें क्योंकि मेरा भी तो गेम चल रहा है ना इफ आई डोंट रेस्क्यू देन हु आई एम सो अब मेरा भी अपना गेम
Games
चल
people
रहा
play.
है एग्जैक्टली आई एम आल्सो प्लेइंग अ गेम कि नहीं मैं तो हेल्प you know I will fix you then I'll fix you यार मुझे
आज
आप
तो
मत
मेरा मुन्ना मैं तुम्हें फिक्स करूँ आज जो.
I am Bob the Builder I'll fix it you know
Yes.
अब वो रेस्क्यूअर चल रहा है अब उसको ये हो रहा है कि नहीं यार मुझे वो करना है what happened was कि मैंने 5-6 साल गुजार लिए इसी उसमें कि मैं एग्जॉस्ट भी हो रही हूँ एंड वाइल यस मेरा अपना गेम चल रहा है नो डाउट अबाउट दैट रेस्क्यूअर है उसको भी एक बूस्ट मिल रहा है कि यू नो आई रेस्क्यूड यू नो यस बट देन इवेंचुअली जब मैंने एक बाउंड्री पुल करने की कोशिश की कि यू नो नाउ आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि इस फ्रेंडशिप के अंदर ये हो रहा है एंड देन मतलब मैं उनको ये बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि यार देखो आई कैन नॉट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट हेल्दी और फिर मैं बिला वजह की एक रिजेंटमेंट आएगी ना रिलेशनशिप के अंदर सो आई रियली वांट कि यू नो इंस्टेड ऑफ यू नो डंपिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन मी आई वुड रियली वांट यू टू टेक सम यू नो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ताकि हम लोग एक उसको अब क्या करें दोस्ती खत्म तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ना तो अब हम उसको
Evolve वो friendship.
evolve so then I become the villain of the story
Yes.
they were like you know what जाएं आप you know like so and then I'm left with you know like years of rescuing and sari energy and whatnot and then I'm left with you know not only that person called me emotionally abusive and I was like wow so this is what I'm left with
Yeah.
while no doubt yes I should not have you know
अच्छाई सारी भूल गया जो.
मतलब
What
मैंने
you had done for them.
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं लाइक है ही नहीं और
हाँ.
मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा चल रहा था मेरा अपना एक पैटर्न चल रहा था श्योर बट देयर वाज ओनली वन पर्सन हु बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम इट एंड इट वाज नॉट मी राइट एंड मैं यहाँ पर आके आई थिंक आई एम नॉट होपफुल दैट कम्युनिकेशन वर्क्स so I would you know what do you think does communication work or does it only work with people who are you know open to comprehend it
No, open to comprehend it, obviously. It's not going to work if there's no two-way street. If it's only one way, then, well, what are you going to do? The traffic's only going to go one way and the
Yeah.
communication's only going to go one way. So it's not going to happen unless both parties want to actually communicate and save the friendship. And people don't want to do that. A lot of them will be like, yeah, mera fayda nahi hai, main kat lu. One friend completely just ghosted me because I refused to keep rescuing her. I refused to stay on the phone with her constantly talking about everything. So she just completely ghosted me. I wasn't okay with that initially because I was worried कि you know she was already going through a lot in her life कि वो उसको कुछ हो ना जाए मगर then I just with time I just saw her going to various places and hanging out with her other various friends so I made the judgment and I said, you know, maybe she doesn't need me because I put up that boundary. So it is what it is. We can't do anything about it unless two people want to communicate.
yeah
And it's been like, what, 3 years she hasn't reached out yet? I don't even know whether the door of communication inside me is open anymore, but it is what it is.
Wow, avoidant people, you know, just fascinate me, dude. How are you not anxious? How do you not reach out, you know? How do you not text someone?
Exactly.
How do you...
You go from that friendship जो इतने लंबे पैराग्राफ एक दूसरे को टेक्स्ट करने and then
Bye-bye, ta-ta.
bye see you.
But, so okay. So what are the, like you said, boundaries? Boundaries. What are the boundaries of friendship?
Boundaries of friendship could look like anything, but
Yeah.
mostly don't fat shame your friends.
Please, yeah.
Encourage them. If you see them and they're struggling with their health, encourage them. Encourage them and you know just listen to them. Keep that communication open. You need to keep that communication open because फिर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होंगी फिर आप कम्युनिकेट नहीं करोगे फिर वो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होंगी और फिर वो बस स्टैक बढ़ता जाता है
Yeah.
that keeps on stacking and then one point it will all just collapse
Yeah.
like what Jenga
Yeah.
It'll collapse like Jenga.
Jenga, yeah.
And then you'll have nothing left.
Yeah.
इतने साल जो आपने वो friendship बना के रखी, फट गई सारी.
Yeah. Do you think somebody, a friend who body shames you, is really your friend?
No. Your friend would never do that to you. Literally would not do that to you, would not make you feel bad about your body. Because your friend, I feel, should be the person who sees you from the inside, should see your heart, should see your intention, not the casing which is our body. Our bodies will change. Our bodies don't stay the same throughout our entire life. They change as per the situation. They change as per the whole point of life we are in. Sometimes we'll gain weight, sometimes we will lose it. Sometimes we will gain weight because maybe our body needs it at that time. So people don't understand that. They will always, वो चीज होती है कि yeah, you judge a book by its cover, but how much are you going to do that? Especially with your friend. Why would they not look at the book, what's inside the book? Why would they just judge it from the cover? That is my question. What do you think?
Yeah, no, because इसका मतलब तो यही हुआ ना कि they never knew what's inside and they
Yeah.
never cared for for the person that was
Exactly.
inside.
Exactly.
And that just makes them, people like
Huh?
the rest of the world who
Yeah.
would, So, when I gave birth and I was in Lahore, and so I moved, like मेरी शादी हुई है and I was like 46 kgs when I got married. And then, I was not in the city. I was not meeting friends physically. Then, COVID happened. Then my son came into the world. I gained weight. I had CPTSD, postpartum depression, whatnot, right? 5 years later, I come here and I'm 67 kgs, right? So people, जिन्होंने मुझे रुखसत किया था, they were like, कि हमने तो इतना सा रुखसत किया था आपको, and what just happened, right? And I gained weight after delivery. So it was not really, like pregnancy weight or baby weight. It was, like it could be anything. I don't have to. It was whatever. That's what I was. So every other person that met me, like. And just every freaking person, every single friend that I met, and I can like really recall 3 set of friends, 3 set of friends, 6 of them, like, like really closest. And I was like, and then was one person, a very old friend, goes on to say कि मुझे तो लग रहा था कि तुम इसके पीछे भाग-भाग के अपने बेबी के पीछे भाग-भाग के पतली हो जाओगी. And I was like, okay, and then, then फिर कुछ repeat हुआ है कि अच्छा है ज़ैनी, अब तुम जो है वो पतली हो जाओगी. And then I was like, you know what? I am fine. I'm 67 kgs and I'm okay with that. And I don't understand, why are you not okay with that? Oh, newsflash, she's not my friend anymore. Because how dare I, call her out for, stop fat shaming me. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, my mother's had friends who've constantly fat shamed her throughout her life, and I'm just like, Ammi, what are you thinking? Why are you still friends with such people? And they're like, bus, it's just, I've had them friends with me since forever, so I'm just going to stay that way. Because, the older generation, they don't want to change. They're not going to change their ways. So they expect us to do the same. And my mother would always sit and say, yeah, I don't know what, me and my sister, because we're the only two. So she would say, you guys have no friends, you guys have like nobody who you can rely on. And my sister would always tell her, yeah, we do have friends, but they're the type of friends who will not sit and fat shame us. Those are the type of friends we have. We might not meet them all the time, but at least we know they are there. And I can honestly say I have those type of friends now who will not sit and look at me and be like, oh my God, you're so fat.
Yeah.
Because hota hai yaar, in your case, you gave birth. You created life. Your body, of course, was going to change. What makes people think that it would not?
I don't know. I really don't understand. Shock is बात
We
की है
are not film stars who have like a bunch of trainers with them and they're
Yeah.
constantly training and doing yoga even when they are pregnant. We're not. We're real people, and real people's bodies change.
Absolutely.
I'm not the same way I used to be when I was a 20 something, and I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
People around me, not so much.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's on them.
Yeah. And there's एक और जो बहुत काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट दिया जाता है ना शिफा, दैट इज लाइक आपकी शेम, आप खुद अपने आप को शेम करते हैं, इसलिए आपको जो है वो, while yes that's obviously there is some truth to that, sure, बट वो लॉजिक इस तरह से कि आपको पूरी दुनिया भी अगर फैट शेम करे तो आपको शेम नहीं महसूस होनी चाहिए अगर आपके अंदर शेम नहीं है अपने आप को लेके. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बिकॉज आई सी इट एज मैनिपुलेटिव ऑफ अ फैक्ट. What do you think?
They're just trying to make sure that you have an insecurity. Because like, why not? Why are you so chill? And why are you so okay with the fact that you are the size that you are? इसलिए तो जब आप कमेंट सेक्शन किसी हैवी इन्फ्लुएंसर का देखोगे या किसी कर्वी इन्फ्लुएंसर का देखोगे तो उसमें वो ये लोग लिख रहे होंगे, आपने वेट गेन कर लिया, आपने वेट गेन कर लिया, आपको नहीं पता चल रहा आपने वेट गेन कर लिया. तो they people make sure that how dare you be confident with the way you look. How dare you?
Yeah. And what is basically, like, let's get into it. What is body shaming anyway?
Body shaming is making a person feel bad about how they look.
Yeah.
It could be anything from how big in size they are, how healthier they are, how much healthier they're not.
Yeah.
Maybe they're a little on the petite side. Maybe they're a little shorter. Maybe they're a lot taller. Maybe they have acne. So, there are a lot of ways you can
Yeah.
body shame people, and people find ways.
Yeah.
कि तुम्हारी नाक बड़ी है, तुम्हारी नाक बहुत छोटी है, it's not in proportion with your nose, your face, and you should get this treatment. And also then obviously we know for a fact in our culture, in our society as such, we're also shamed on our skin color.
Yes.
That also falls in it. मुझे
Absolutely.
छोटी जब रिश्ता आंटीज वही बोलती हैं कि छोटी मोटी लड़की नहीं चाहिए होती उनको, किसी को नहीं चाहिए. मगर क्या उनकी शादियां नहीं होती? क्या क्या उनके घर नहीं बसते? उनके भी बसते हैं ना. Everybody has a chance to do all of that.
Absolutely. So your worth and
Yes.
acceptability in this
Yes.
society
Yes.
depends on what size you are, what
Exactly.
kind of a skin you have,
Exactly.
how do you look,
Exactly.
क्या आप इस सोसाइटी के ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स के ऊपर पूरे उतार रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ आपके रिलेशनशिप्स, लाइक नाउ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट, वंस आई गेन्ड वेट एंड आई सॉ के लोग मुझे हल्का लेना शुरू हो गए, बिकॉज मतलब ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि लाइक द काइंड ऑफ लिबर्टी समबडी वुड टेक ऑन मी, लाइक मुझे बॉडी शेम करे. मैं ये सोच रही हूँ इसको क्यों लग रहा है कि ये मजाक कर सकता है मेरे साथ. And even with guys, like guys in a sense, ये के cousins हो गए या extended relatives हो गए, somebody, I would not, क्योंकि बहुत ही direct हो जाएगा वो, so I'm not saying who that was, but somebody, like everybody has one in their family. And when I started, like mom का से मेरी podcast आना शुरू हुई, so they called my mom and they were like, आपकी बेटी तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही, इतनी मोटी क्यों हो गई है? मैंने कहा अम्मी, like he called you to say that कि ये इतनी मोटी, ये कैमरे पे लगती है, ये हो गई. मैंने what? And I was just thinking कि they would they have, like, do you think would they have taken this liberty otherwise?
Not necessarily. If we didn't give them the liberty, they would not have taken. But somewhere down the line, it's become normalized to be able to have that thing कि we are going to pick on people. So yes, there will be people who will call up your क्या बोलते हैं, your parents and be like, oh my god, your daughter's gotten so fat. मगर फिर then like our mothers would be, they'll be like कि नहीं, they're fine the way they are, they're beautiful the way they are. क्या तुमसे नहीं देखा जा रहा कि वो बस खुश है जैसी भी वो है? तो it's just normalized. I hate that it's normalized.
Yeah. And what about that internalized shame? जो shame खुद अपने अंदर ले लिया कि because of my size, now I don't feel like I have, how have you, like, has it happened to you? How have you experienced it? Or what have your thoughts about it?
Internalized shame I've had a lot of, because I've always been on the thicker side, as I would say. I've always been on the thicker side. Though being younger, I was just taller. So I was taller than most of the girls in class, according to the height. I would always stand at the back of the line. But because of that, and the way that I used to wear glasses, I would look different. I was a bit bigger boned than everybody else. I was always picked on. I was always bullied. And it's always been an issue for everyone besides me. And now it's even a bigger issue because I am a lot heavier than I normally have been. But people don't understand. My life has taken a 360-degree turn. And even with the passing of my father, it's really changed me as a person. So when I choose, that is when I will maybe work on myself and reduce this weight I have. But behind that, it really doesn't hurt me, and it really doesn't stop me from doing anything. Besides maybe sometimes going out in the market and buying clothes because they don't make my size, or they say it's my size, but it's
It's
not.
not, yeah.
So, we have to go to like other places to buy clothes or get them stitched. Magar, yeah, it's been a very bumpy journey with that internalized shame.
Yeah.
And whenever I don't have that shame, there's always one person telling me that I literally should have that shame, because how dare I not have it?
But like such important points, Shifa, especially about the clothing, and how our own. I did Nourish with Samya recently, and there was so much. मैं सबको recommend करूँगी कि everyone who wants to explore their relationship with food, they should do this. Workshop Nourish by Samya, CPBD में होती है, and just Google it, and you'll get all the details. But हमने अपनी timeline बनाई थी weight के हिसाब से कि कब वेट फ्लक्चुएशंस हो रही हैं और फिर उस वक़्त हमारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा था, राइट? एंड इट वाज़ लाइक इतना 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 ये जब वो सामने आई है ना, आई वाज़ लाइक ओके, सो मेरा वेट इस पे गेन हुआ एंड कुछ ना कुछ हुआ हुआ है, कोई ना कोई इमोशनल डिस्ट्रेस हुआ हुआ है। फिर मेरा वेट फ्लक्चुएट हुआ, ओके, तो अच्छा ये हुआ था, ओह वाओ! लाइक आई डिडन्ट नो कि एक इमोशनल डिस्ट्रेस का आपकी जो फिज़िकल इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं उसके, वो किस तरह के हैं। एंड देन विद द वर्क दैट वी आर डूइंग एज़ थेरेपिस्ट, एंड देन वी हैव क्लाइंट्स, एंड देयर इज़ दैट सेइंग दैट यू डोंट गेट द क्लाइंट्स यू वांट, यू गेट द क्लाइंट्स यू नीड। सो ऐसा लगता है कभी-कभार कि जो आपके मसले चल रहे हैं अभी, जिसको आप आप खुद एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, इट विल बी लाइक आपका क्लाइंट आएगा, मैं मेरे भी यही मसले चल रहे हैं, अब बता अब आप क्या करेंगी? So, has this, like everything that we discussed, like attachment styles and trouble with friendships and body image, client work mein, how has this shown up?
It has shown up so many ways. Like, I have clients who are married and they have no friends. Literally none. They depend completely on their husbands. And agar husband is either not in the mood, or like doesn't want to discuss anything with them, or is stressed about work, or is busy at work, they'll be like, oh my God, I don't have my husband so and so. He's my best friend. मेरे पास कोई बात करने के लिए नहीं है. How do I process this? How do I talk to them about the various things? Because I don't have anyone else. I only have my husband and I only have my therapist. So with the whole boundary system, we as therapists, we can't be their friends now, can we?
Yeah.
But friends ka section unka completely khali hai. I've actually had to I've had to advise or suggest to my clients कि आप जाएं, आप जाके friends बनाएं, आपकी age की, आपकी various demographic की, आपकी marital status की, ताकि आपके पास कोई हो जो आपका दुख शेयर कर सके, आपकी खुशी शेयर कर सके, आपके साथ उनके बच्चे चिल कर सकें, खेल सकें, ताकि you can just go to a coffee shop and just hang out with them. Maybe even once every 2 weeks you can go out with them. ताकि आपका mind थोड़ा सा divert हो, and you're not putting so much pressure on the relationship with you and your husband. And then I see on the polar opposite, I see single girls who are going through relationships, and then they feel that they can't navigate their relationships themselves. So they're telling every itchy bitchy to their best friend. And now the best friend is like the third person in that relationship. So the third person is making all the decisions, and then if the guy messes up in whatever which way, they're like, oh my god, you cannot text them back. If that guy comes back, then you're not even going to give them a second look. So it's like that third person. तो ठीक है, फ्रेंडशिप हो इस ट्रायंगल में, मगर उसको भी याद हो कि यार उसकी भी क्या जगह है इस फ्रेंडशिप में. She's not the one navigating the friendship.
Wow, yeah.
So, I had to tell my client, I was like, you need to go and you need to speak to your friend and you need to tell her that you need to back off a little. And maybe she might get offended, but at the same time, you need to make her realize softly, kindly, with care, but firmly, that she is not the third person in this relationship. And you will do what seems right to you, even if you screw up, because, well, you're going to learn from this relationship. So why not? And then there are people, obviously, who will always be like, why do I need a therapist? I have friends. I can tell my friends everything. तो फिर जाए, हाँ, बताएं, दोस्तों को ही बताएं, बस हमें इज्जत क्यों दे रहे हैं भाई?
सही बात है. So therapist के पास है उस बंदे ने जाना है जिसके दोस्त नहीं है. Oh my God.
मगर हमें
Yeah.
ये नहीं उनको रियलाइज होता, हम
Yeah.
उनको इम्पार्शियल पर्सपेक्टिव देंगे, हम उनको ऐसी चीजें देख के बताएंगे, डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स देख के बताएंगे जो मे बी देयर फ्रेंड्स हैव नॉट थॉट, एंड मे बी देयर फ्रेंड्स हैव थॉट अबाउट इट, बट दे हैव पुट देयर ओन, लाइक, क्या बोलते हैं, लिटिल issues in it or their perspective in it. So yes, it's just how you take it.
Yeah. There's so much information in
Huh?
the kind of people you're friends with, who you become in that friends group.
Yes.
Like I would be, sort of the lost child.
Huh?
Just पीछे बैठे हुए हैं. Oh, get together है. In my mind, I'm like, अच्छा मुझे तो ये लोग ऐसे ही बुला रहे हैं, असल में इन 4 लोगों को मिलना है. So I've always been,
You're
I
the
become the
space
lost
filler.
child. Yeah, exactly. So I'll become, the lost child. पीछे
Yeah.
बैठे हुए हैं कहीं पे, बुक लेके जा रहे हैं, get together पे बुक लेके जा रहे हैं
हाँ.
अपने साथ.
Yeah, I've been the fat friend.
Hmm.
The one that, like, the popular लड़की के साथ जो होती है एक fat friend. I was the fat friend. I was always the fat friend.
it's
मुझे कोई
such-
attention नहीं मिलती थी. I would just be there because obviously, the society we are in, के लड़की के साथ हमेशा एक और
एक और
लड़की
लड़की
होती है. जब भी वो वैसे डेट मारने जाती
Yeah.
हैं या लाइक कहीं भी जाती हैं, वो हमेशा देयर ऑलवेज 2 or 3 गर्ल्स टुगेदर.
साथ कौन जा
I
रहा है?
would be like, साथ कौन जा रहा है? तो I would be like the third wheel or the second wheel, and I have been in some situations, and I just think now, I was like, yeah, why did I do this to myself?
Yeah. And that's such great information to take to your therapist.
Yeah, it is.
Like, and what do you think, Shifa, stops people from making friends? Like especially when you were talking about your clients and कि वो एक यानी अगर मैं इसको completely एक societal angle इसका जो नजर आता है कि जब वही ना कि ये सब तुम अपने हस्बैंड के साथ करना, ठीक है, और फिर हस्बैंड के पास टाइम नहीं होता, और फिर एक सर्टेन सिस्टम इस तरह का है कि लाइक आई हैव रियली सॉर्ट ऑफ हेटेड माय फ्रेंड्स हस्बैंड्स, मल्टीपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि जैसे ही उनकी शादियां हुई हैं उनके पास टाइम खत्म हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने रखा हुआ क्या है कि वो आएंगे तो पिक एंड ड्रॉप करेंगे, उनके पास टाइम नहीं है, उन्होंने जाना है, फिर बच्चे मेरे पास हैं, वो बच्चों को भी नहीं, वो बच्चों को बेबी सिट भी
And
नहीं
if you have
करेंगे.
a male friend, it's even worse. जैसे ही अपने मेल फ्रेंड की शादी हुई, उनकी बीवी ने आपको आउट कर दिया, अगर वैसे ही नहीं नेचुरली आउट नहीं हुए.
Yeah.
So I lost a childhood best friend because of that.
Wow.
His wife completely threw me on the side because she was like, no. And instead of like having him go into more male friends and be more like in that orientation, she brought her own friends into the perspective, and then he
Wow.
started hanging out with her friends, and I was just like, right, right.
Okay.
ये भी
So we're
देखना
losing
बाकी
friends
था.
to marriage.
Yes, we're losing friends to marriage.
Oh wow, I didn't know कि ये भी हो रहा था.
I would just like, हमारी सोसाइटी में ये चीज ही नहीं है कि दोस्त भी कोई चीज होती है.
नहीं भाई.
बिकॉज यहाँ तो आपका मियाँ ही आपके दोस्त है, या आपकी माँ आपके दोस्त है, या आपके माँ बाप आपके दोस्त है. ठीक है, वो भी होना चाहिए, मगर दोस्त भी होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
You should have friends, even if it has like you have friends in your community. Like a lot of communities, they will only see कि अच्छा अगर आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नो ऑफेंस टू द मेमन्स, अगर आप मेमन है तो फिर आपकी मेमन बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगी, या आप बोरी हैं तो आपकी बोरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगी. तो होता है, दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स हेल्दी, that's okay. But don't be forced to be in a friendship even if you're in a community. Have friends outside the community, so maybe they also will learn about your culture and you will also learn about them. And just like be very open about just having a friend.
Yeah.
I mean, like, दोस्त काम आता है बहुत सारी
Yeah.
चीज़ों में. रिश्तेदार जब फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई ओन लाइफ, हमारे फैमिली के दोस्त ज़्यादा काम आए, रिश्तेदार कम. जब मेरे अब्बा फौत हुए तो अम्मी की जो दोस्तियाँ थी, मेरी जो दोस्तियाँ थी, वो सारे दे ऑल वेंट टुगेदर एंड दे प्रेड ऑन हिज जनाजा बिकॉज एवरीबडी एल्स वाज, द फैमिली वाज ईदर टू ओल्ड और टू सिक टू डू इट. So, they couldn't come, and some of them just didn't want to. They wanted to make every single bahana under the umbrella. So, they just didn't feel it. तो वो दोस्तियाँ थी, तो वो हुआ ना फिर. तो, it's why not? Why don't we have friends?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why can't a woman and a man be friends and have a platonic friendship and not have anything which is like not halal?
And it just takes me back to the Isaac training. We were working with Susai and the Temina, and she was also talking about, because again, therapist की community hai, and there is a different type of peer support
Yes.
that we need,
Yes.
from our fellow therapists. और उसमें हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि especially with this kind of intense work, you really need support, and is somebody who understands that there is confidentiality, and you cannot talk a lot, but there is something that you need to process as well. So you would need that. And I was like, I would unmute myself. But if it happens, अगर मेरे कोई दोस्त बनते हैं तो ये तो बड़ी एक ऑर्गेनिक सी चीज़ है ना. And it's also, if I'm lucky, then I will get that support. But मैं क्या करूँ? Like, is there a process that I can follow? मैं कैसे दोस्त बनाऊँ? मैं कैसे वो करूँ? And she's like, ask for it. And I was like, so simple. But, and then she said, have you reached out to people? And I was like, no. And then she was like, reach out to people. Tell that person कि मुझे support की ज़रूरत है. Can you help me? अगर आपको let's say कि कोई मना भी करता है, but then somebody might say yes, कि हाँ, sure, why not? Somebody might have that emotional capacity कि वो आपको बोले, हाँ, sure, मुझे बताओ, क्या है? I'll hear you.
Yes, and it's just simple as ask for what you need and you shall receive. And it'll come from the place where you least expected, but it will come for you. So reach out in that community, Zainab. Like, reach out when you graduate and you come on the whole community WhatsApp and community everything else, you'll find a lot of people there, and you just need to start reaching out. That is how I made connections in the therapies community, and they so far so good. Girlfriend,
Yeah.
so far so good.
Yeah. I mean, this is,
Yes,
one of the
this is one of
examples,
them.
yeah.
Like,
So-
we hardly knew each other a few
Yeah.
months ago. Like, well,
Yeah.
it happened. It
Yeah,
happened.
exactly. And I think मैं जब ये भी पूरा जब recall भी कर रही हूँ ना, like even the conversation that we had, and और वैसे भी जो पूरे with सब इतना सारा कुछ तो याद आना शुरू हो गया, इतने लोग याद आना शुरू हो गए, और इतने experiences भी जो है वो अब आ रहे हैं. And जो मैं पहले कह रही थी ना कि because of my life script, I was not counting people. कि while yes, it is organic, while yes, you have to reach out, but then there is, like the universe is at work as well. There is some spirituality going on, and it's almost like the clients के बारे में जिससे होता है कि that you will get the client you need. It's exactly, sometimes I feel like कि आपकी जिंदगी में भी वो लोग somehow आ रहे होते हैं. It's like you need them and
They
you
have a
didn't
purpose.
know.
They have a purpose. Everybody has a purpose they will fulfill, and
Mm.
then they will leave.
Mm.
And yes, that is why God gave us the whole ability to grieve. We need to start grieving even the friendships that we don't have anymore, and the friendships that finish just like poof, and the friendships we don't acknowledge. The relationships that we made with people, मगर वो फड्डे हो गए और फिर वो नहीं हुई relationship continue. तो वो भी ग्रीव करना चाहिए हमें. हम क्यों इतना डरते हैं इन सारी चीज़ों से, कम्युनिकेशन से, ग्रीविंग से? क्यों डरते हैं यार? हम तो लोगों से भी डरना शुरू कर दें फिर.
True, true. Oh, wow. This is just bringing up so many emotions, like grieving a friendship
Yes.
is so underrated.
Yes.
Nobody talks about the
No.
heartbreak that comes with, when a
Yeah.
friendship of years,
Huh?
it ends.
Yes. It ends. You have photographs with them. You have memories you've made with them. It was so difficult for me to leave that 8-9 साल की friendship जो मेरी थी. इतनी memories थी और ठीक है उसने she made the effort to reach out when my father passed away. She still came, but then it was just I still continued that boundary कि we will not be those type of friends again. But then there were a lot of other friends that came out of the woodwork just like that, and now we're really good friends. So you never know. Everybody has a purpose in your life. Just let them come and fulfill it. Have an open heart. It's not having an open heart is not going to kill you. Apparently, but it will hurt. But then there are ways of also protecting yourself while also simultaneously protecting the person in front of you and being sure that the fact that they don't take advantage of you either. So, we just need to talk about it. We need to learn about it.
And I was also thinking, when you talk about memories, and I'm like, it just makes the whole situation very gray. क्योंकि होता ये है कि and it might be very fresh कि जब आपकी कोई relationship या कोई friendship इस तरह से हो रही है, especially on a very not on a very good note, and then you're like कि ये इसको black and white कर देता है ना, ताकि grieve ना करना पड़े, ताकि मुझे इसको वो ना करना पड़े कि it's a loss for me, बहुत अच्छा हो, बहुत अच्छा हो, अपने आप को बता रहे हैं. And then like, no, there were so many good times, and yes, it's a loss, and allowing yourself to grieve that कि हाँ बहुत बुरा हुआ मेरे साथ, but no, I actually feel wow. Yeah, I did not knew that this is going to end on me, realizing that I need to grieve this loss.
Yes.
But yeah, like that makes sense. It makes complete sense.
Yeah, and sometimes you start even grieving a friendship before it's finished. That also happens. So it's a gamble, but why not play it? You get to know a lot about different people. You get to meet a lot of different people, and it's just beautiful that way.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
Wow, yeah. So, yeah, you know what? I was also thinking about, some of the people placed in my life, and especially after that exercise that I reached out. And that was, I was so happy. I reached out to Farhan Bhai and Tazeen. Tazeen is founder Momcast, and Farhan Bhai runs Firestarter. And when I did that, it was I think one of the first time that I've ever, like for something that was causing me so much pain, and I was struggling with it, I was suffocation, and I was like, you know what, no, I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to share कि मैं तकलीफ में हूँ एक certain चीज के लिए, and this is what I'm going to do. And of course, like when I did that, and when I shared that the amazing people that they are, and how they have, like again, वही जब मैं वो ball throw कर रही हूँ, and I'm like, I don't have friends. I'm like, no, that's not true. Why do we believe that? And there are so many friends, even, like the connections that have with you,
Yes.
there is like, like you saw that you have a folder with your name on it on my phone. And I'm like, oh my God, I saw this reel. I have to send it to Shifa. There's like a specific set of reels that I know that I have to send it to you,
Like the set of reels, like when I'm sitting and I'm scrolling, and then I'm like, this son of will like, and I send it to her, and then you respond, and I'm like,
yeah, see?
I love this.
Yeah.
This is what I live for.
Yeah, and like while you're grieving, you can also, and I think grief allows that. Grief also allows, some things to be gray. And I'm actually really happy that we had this conversation.
Yes, me
Yeah.
too.
मुझे लग रहा था कि हम ज्यादा बात जो है वो शायद बॉडी इमेज के बारे में करें, but I think the natural
Yeah.
trajectory and
Yeah.
how interrelated all of that was, Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. अपना feedback जरूर देगा, and I think just share your experiences about आपकी friendships, and especially like how it has been related to or even not related to body image. Momcast को subscribe कर लें, bell icon भी press कर दें, and just stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. You can also say Allah Hafiz on that.
Allah Hafiz.